How are you all doing? Yes, sir. This afternoon, I come to visit you in Army Super Camp 9. I bring you very special greetings from the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces. I present myself as your Chief of Army Staff to get to meet you, and you get to know me as well. The essence of this visit is operational. The idea is to motivate you. In the last few days, we had attacks in your area of responsibility. It is now high time we get back and fight through and support our forces ahead of you. Areas around Marte, Chukungudu, Kerenua, up to Kita will go, must be cleared in the next 48 hours. You'll be rest assured of all the support required in this very onerous task. I've just spoken to your theater commander, general officer commanding. You cannot let this nation down. You must go there and do the needful, and I'll be right behind you. Having said that, be rest assured of all the support required. I will ensure you do your job and do your job well. They have presented certain issues that came up. Overstay of soldiers, sooner rather than later, we will address. Where there are no adequate A and B vehicles, we will provide. With those few remarks, I wish you well on the operation, and I know the morale remains high. How's the morale? Morale!
No more prisoner of war!
Zai ko kai ka ga aikin nan dole ka ji da shi.